In this video, we are going to learn how to draw a moonlit sky in Adobe Illustrator. Let's make a circle by using the ellipse tool. Hold Shift while drawing to keep it perfect. Let's make a copy of the circle on its upper left by moving it while holding Alt. Check that the new circle is on top of the old one in the Layers panel. Select both circles and use the minus front tool from the Pathfinder window. This is why we arranged the circles as it is. If you can't see the Pathfinder window, you can click Window from the menu bar on the top and look for it. Alternatively, you can press Shift-Control F9 on your keyboard. Let's make the cloud. Add a rectangle and give it rounded corners by dragging these circles on the corners. Next up, we'll add two circles like we did earlier. Place it on top of the rectangle to complete the cloud shape. Using Pathfinder again, select the three shapes we just made and let's unite them. Now the cloud is a single shape. Move it so that it covers the moon partially. We'll make the stars next. Let's create a perfect circle and we'll use the pucker effect to make it look like a sparkling star. Under the Effect menu bar, go to Distort and Transform, then choose Pucker and Bloat. We need the puckered effect, so we'll move the slider to the left. Play around the slider, and once you have the star to your desired appearance, duplicate and move the star as you wish. There is no wrong placement here, and you do not need to place everything the same way I did. Try and resize the stars as you duplicate to make the image more interesting. Now we move on to the good part. We'll color the image we just did. My suggestion is to not color the image the same way I will in this video. In art, experimentation is a great way to learn. Try different colors and have fun with it. This is how mine turned out, but there are a lot of ways to execute the coloring stage. I hope you learned something new from this video. Let me know if you have something in mind that I should draw next. Thank you for watching.